Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about writing portion, or in that we are discussing about article writing. Children, I want to tell you that two questions of long composition will surely come in your exam, or one will be of this article writing and another will be of letter writing. So after completing this article, we will discuss about letter writing also and another short composition. As I have told you in previous video that this article writing question will be surely come and it will be of 5 marks. 1 mark for the format, 2 marks for the content and 2 marks for the expression. So format, content and expression. 1 mark for the format, second 2 marks for the content which you have written in that topic, or 2 marks for the expression means grammatical accuracy, spelling, all these things will be checked. So while writing the article you must be very much alert, because these things will be counted. In previous video, dear students, we discussed about one of the burning issue, that is privatization of electricity, and today I am going to discuss again one more topic to make more clear to this topic, or that is impact of watching TV on children. So the topic for today's discussion is impact of watching television on children. This is the topic for your article writing. Or suppose you are XYZ, it must be given in your question. So dear students, how will you start? How will you write? The topic is impact of watching TV means television on children. Recreation or entertainment is essential in our life. It helps us, that recreation or entertainment helps us to refresh our mind. It gives us energy to work freely and smoothly. So entertainment is very, very necessary. There are numerous sources of entertainment nowadays. We can entertain ourselves through internet, through movies, through YouTubes, through radio, through television. There are numerous sources. But I want to tell you that television is one of the cheapest and best means of recreation. This television is the cheapest and best means of recreation. Oh, and it is easily available in all the houses, this television. But as we know that every coin has its two faces, In the same way, this watching television has some positive impact on our children and some negative impact, some advantages and some disadvantages. First of all, dear students, I want to tell you some positive impact of watching television on children. There are many channels, dear students. Religious channels, scientific channels, news channels, sports channels. So the channels like Sanskar, QTV, they are good for our children to fulfill their religious hunger. They may know good things about their religion, about their many good things of life through these channels, QTV, Peace TV, and Sanskar, Astha. So these channels are good for our children. They may watch sometime. Apart from these religious channels, there are many news channels such as Aaj Tak, ABP, NDTV. Through these channels, our children can get a lot of information. They may know what is happening in their country, in their society, or in the whole world. These news channels can increase their general knowledge. They may learn many things. They may know many good things from these channels. So these channels are also, especially the news channels. They may increase their knowledge that will help them in future, that will help them to know what is happening in their country, what is happening in the world. Through these news channels, they may increase their knowledge. They may know about the current topics. Or apart from these news channels, dear students, there are some scientific channels also. National Geography. There they may learn many Discovery Channel. There they may watch and see. There they may definitely get many scientific facts on National Geography, on Discovery channels. What is how they may know about universe. They may know about planets. They may know about different species. They may know about different inventions. So that Geography channel, National Geography and Discovery channel can help them, can help our children to increase their scientific knowledge. It can make them creative and innovative. It can increase their creation and innovations. So these channels are also good. There are some in sports channels also, like Star Sports, DD National, DD1, many other channels, Neo Sports. They may definitely watch different sports, different games, or they may definitely watch live matches. Our children may watch live matches, dear students. They may increase their sports knowledge. They may select channels of different sports according to their interest, because nowadays they may see cricket also, mean hockey also, badminton also, many games. Or the best part is that they are able to watch live matches. Understood? So these sports channel also help our children to increase their knowledge in field of sports and help them to select the sport according to their interest. But or many entertainment channels also, many reality shows, many channels on that they may watch different movies also. So for religious hunger they may see Astha, Sanskar, QTV, Peace TV. For increasing their general knowledge, current affairs, they may watch different news channels. For increasing their scientific knowledge, they may watch National Geography and Discovery Channel. For increasing their sports knowledge, they may watch different sports channels. For entertaining themselves, they may watch sometime that reality shows or the channels on which they may watch movies also. But as I have told you in the beginning that every coin has its two faces, in the same way this watching television has some negative impact on our children. There are many cartoon channels, dear students. They are making our small kids immoral and obstinate. They are making them of rigid nature. They like to watch only such cartoon channels, and sometimes programs like Shaktiman, Doraemon, whatever you may say, Khatron Ke Khiladi, and such programs definitely, dear students, are making our children very obstinate. The children are immature. They try to copy the same stunt in their real life. They try to do the same stunt in their life after watching that Khatron Ke Khiladi and Shaktiman. Sometimes they used to jump. They think that Shaktiman will come and save them. But they are not aware about the fact that these things, Khatron Ke Khiladi and all these things, are done by those characters under the guidance of expert. But the children are immature. Cartoon channels and these action channels and many fashion shows also, and these channels, they are making our children, our youth, immoral and violent. So after discussing on both the aspects of this watching TV, we have reached to the conclusion that watching television is not bad. But watching television many hours by our small children, especially 6 to 12, 13 years, is really, really bad. It affects their studies also. As they watch that particular cartoon channel and action channel and Shaktiman and all other channels many hours, that make them obstinate also. Due to that, dear students, they became violent also, immoral also. So it is the responsibility of parents that they should not allow and permit their children to watch such channels which are making their children immoral and violent. They may watch useful channels, as I have discussed in the first part. But the channels and programs which are making them obstinate, which are affecting their eyesight and making them rigid and immoral and violent and affecting their studies, such channels must not be watched by our children, small children. Understood? So in this way, TV impact our children. Understood? You will watch, dear students, today. You will see this video and you will write on this topic. Thank you, dear students. In next video, we will discuss another writing portion. Thank you, dear students.